Women are amazing. We give the gift of life. We are mothers, wives, daughters. We work, we raise children, and we look pretty good doing it. But did you know that the expression men are from Mars, women are from Venus may actually hold some weight? For example, some studies have shown that women have a perfect memory for facial features. Watch this video till end to know some pretty amazing facts about female body that you might not know. First, women's immune systems are stronger than men's. It's all in the genes. Researchers have argued this sex-specific health disparities may be due to genetic material called microRNA. The main function of microRNA in cell is to turn off specific genes. The researchers say microRNA located on the female X chromosome may give women an immune system advantage over males. Another study showed that women are diagnosed with cancer less frequently than men. Second, women have a higher pain threshold. Though of course pain is subjective, it seems to be the case that women in general can at least handle the discomfort of pain better, a new study has proven. According to researchers at McGill University, men rated their pain higher than women did during a series of tests. Men also were observed being more stressed and hypersensitive when facing individual pain than women. Third, women detect smells better. It is quite difficult to block a woman's awareness of body odor. In contrast, it seems rather easy to do so in men. The researchers think women are more attuned to underarm body odor because the biological data it contains helps them choose a potential partner. Fourth, women can see more colors. Women have larger color vocabulary compared to men. The results show that women are better at distinguishing between subtle graduation than men were. This sensitivity was most evident in the middle of the color spectrum. Women were better able to distinguish tiny differences between colors that look identical to men, and this is why we should always be allowed to pick the paint colors in a new home. Fifth, women have better memories. Have you ever had an argument with a woman only to have her bring up something from the past? Yep, that's certainly my mom, and annoying as it may there be a scientific reason for this. At least that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. Studies have shown that the gender difference may be a result of the way we teach our daughters and sons to tell stories. We make memories by storytelling. Research shows that when moms ask their kids for details about what happened in their days, they are actually training their kids in how to remember things. 6. Women's necks are more flexible. Have you ever noticed that when men turn around, they turn their whole body, but women turn only their head? This is because women have more flexible necks. Women have a much more elastic muscle structure in general. This does, however, mean that women are more prone to neck pain than men. 7. Women have sensitive hearing even while sleeping. And evolution is the reason here. Women are hypersensitive to sounds during sleep, so that new mothers can hear and respond to crying babies. Women are more sensitive to high-pitched noises in particular. This does sadly mean that women are more likely to suffer from sleep disorders. 8. Women have better muscle endurance. While men usually have the upper hand when it comes to strength, it may be surprising to many that women may actually have better muscle endurance than men do. Research has shown that in stamina-related exercises, women were able to exercise for about 75% longer than men could. It is suggested that the presence of estrogen in women makes their muscle more resistant to fatigue, and that women have more efficient metabolism within their muscles as compared to men. 9. Women's body keep changing into their 20s. Adolescence doesn't mean the end of bodily changes for women. Acne, period cramps, and the peak of metabolism all occur during women's 20s. Not only that, but the body can become curvier and cellulite can start developing. the 20s is a non-stop emotional and physical development crisis. But this all settle down in women's 30s and beyond. Well, that is until perimenopause. 10. Women's brains are more intricately hardwired. Researchers found that women's brains are more interconnected than men's. This means that women are faster at making social connection and can adapt to routine more easily. These points prove that we all are superwomen. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. We'll see you on Saturday with our new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.